Hello and welcome. In this video, I will guide you on how to log in to DirectAdmin through your HostAfrica client area. Let's get started. First, let's log into the HostAfrica client area. Open your browser, go to the search tab, and key in my.hostafrica.com. Once in, click the profile icon, then go to Login. Here you will need to enter your credentials, verify, and click Login. When in your client area, go to Hosting and select Web Hosting. Here you will be able to see your website. Click the panel button and you will be able to access your DirectAdmin dashboard. And there you have it. If you found this tutorial useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more.